I'm sorry. It was an
I don't
accident.
think you were sorry. I think you did it on purpose.
No, I ate Chipotle today.
Are you guys fucking serious? That's disgusting, bro.
I'm
Are
sorry.
you guys serious?
I'm sorry. I'm
Are
sorry.
you serious? That's disgusting, bro. I hope it's just like a bubble thing that you're messing around with. I think I'm overreacting. Don't worry, bro.
Yeah, I appreciate you, man.
Just forget what I said. Even if you guys are fucking around, I shouldn't have said that.
Yeah, I appreciate you, man.
Alright.
The duality of man. Bro literally processed his thoughts out loud.